In primetime news this evening, charged. One of 3 suspects charged with murder in killing of Trelawney 4-year-old.
What's next? Trenchtown residents worried as curfew lifted.
And where's the proof? Auditor General blasts Labour Ministry for poor record keeping. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on the effort to make Portmore the 15th parish?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines